Imagine waking up and seeing money hit your account while you sleep. That's dividend investing. It sounds too good to be true, but it isn't. It's one of the oldest and most proven ways people build passive income without gambling on risky trades or chasing hype. Welcome to Dividend Desk, your guide to simple, smart wealth. If you've ever wondered how investors keep earning even when they're not working, this video will open that door for you. We're talking about why it could be the foundation of your financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. So, what exactly is dividend investing? When you buy a share of a company, you own a small piece of that business. Some companies, usually well-established and profitable ones, share a portion of their profits with shareholders on a regular basis.